smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
Here we are, starting the new day. The world is waking up. My accommodation was a little room on the edge of a farmhouse in the middle of farmland, but it was good. A peaceful early morning. When I saw the sign, I thought, ooh, Epinay, but it's a different Epinay for the champagne. Back on the path after a bit of a diversion. But it's another quiet D road. Good morning, day 10 of the Comberton Le Vaudreuil twinning trek. Very long day yesterday, only because you're walking for quite a, most of the day, 42k. Found a place to stay on a farmhouse, and I don't know, it was a mile and a half off course, off the GR210, so I've retraced those steps. Now I'm back on the GR210 and we're slowly making our way closer to Rouen. So again, it looks like it's going to be another bright day, and not so far to travel today, so I can go a bit slower. And yeah, so let's see where the day takes us. Just ripe for a watercolour. Look at those soft greens. More road walking. You get used to it, but you could miss that sign. It's a very hazy morning. My nose is running a bit, so I wonder what's in the air. A long, lonely walk. When you get to this crossroads, go straight across. Come to a crossroad. Not that way, it says. Not that way, it says. But this way. Haven't seen a seashell for a while. This is a railway crossing in the middle of farmland. I realise it's automatic, but not much to stop you doing anything. Big happy Charolais. I'm not sure, but I think this is the main road from Dieppe to Rouen. Obviously a lot quicker than walking it. I think we've had a crop of potatoes come through because I'm seeing potatoes every now and again. So you have a pole with an electric wire on it, that's all you can see. And that's to keep these guys in. Over the motorway and then turn the corner and over the railway. Hello. It's been almost 3 hours. This is the first bit of dirt that I've really walked on. The map was following the railway, so that's what we're doing. And it looks like an all-track vehicle has been through here and squashed everything down. But we are definitely following the railway line. Find a horizontal bow on these. I read somewhere that part of this track, or this route, follows the fish vendors from Dieppe down to Rouen. So most of the tracks I'm on are at least a wagon ride wide, so yeah, interesting. Coming down into fairly big conurbation, could just be a suburb in a way of Rouen. It's called Clares, I think. I'm going to stop for a little bit. What's this in the middle? Here's a vehicle coming my way. A lonely, long-distance runner. A newly gravelled road that goes into the distance. I've missed these trees. Traffic! Finally. More trees! These bottle banks are between two villages, so clearly there's a need. Multiple tractors coming out. This is a really beautiful little village. Look at that. Taking you through this lovely park. These really old buildings, an old milling wheel. Another little zigzag behind some houses. First time I've actually seen the GR210 mentioned. You get a series of dogs barking as you walk by the properties. So far they've all been fenced in. A lot of noise. Pretty much every cow in this field is sitting this end. What on earth is he talking about? Big galois. I didn't realise we'd got so high, but it's a very shallow decline. This is a blowdown, the path went underneath, so it's been such a long time, there's a path around it. trail markings just point you in a direction, and you don't really see another one until you need to turn. So you could be walking, as I have now, for about 35 minutes, and I haven't seen a trail marker. You just got to take it on trust. So the track turned into a path, turned into a track, turned into a road, and that's the first marker I've seen. Another back of village walk through the local park. Crazy golf. To get to my accommodation, I have to walk between two villages, which is this particular road.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.